Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will conduct a science experiment to find truth about a myth. There is a myth that if you place an egg inside vinegar for 24 hours it will convert into a bubbly ball like this. I thought of doing this experiment by myself to find out the truth. So let's begin. In front of me I have a glass. Let's fill this glass with vinegar. Now I am going to dissolve egg inside in it. You can see as soon as I have dissolved the egg in vinegar there is some sort of reaction has started. This is because acid in the vinegar and the base in the calcium carbonate of the eggshell. When an acid and a base mix, they form carbon dioxide, a gas. Now, I will leave this egg as it is for 48 hours.
48 hours later.
So it has been over 48 hours. This is how our egg looks. The eggshell looks a bit soft. Let's take this egg out of this glass and find out the truth. I am going to place this egg in another container. Oh shit, the egg has been broken. There is no such bubbly ball in the case. The myth is busted. The vinegar does not make the whole egg bubbly, it only makes the shell and upper surface of the egg soft, which feels like the egg has become a bouncy ball. So that's it for the video. If you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.